I'm going on a cruise in less than 48 hours. I haven't packed, my room is a disaster, but I'm determined to get my life together before we go away. So let's lock in. Okay, first we're gonna do our essential shop and we have 20 minutes until our nail appointment. It is 35 degrees. Aww, that's lovely. I'm getting all of the day's stuff because I'm currently obsessed with it. Essential shop done, completed. Now we're gonna go get our nails done and my toes done for the first time. Just got new nails and they are gorgeous. Guys, I'm literally obsessed with them. They are stunning. Me and Liv spent so long in that nail salon, but it was so worth it. And I also got my toes done and just got a simple French tip, but I'm not gonna show you guys for free, so. Okay, so it's the next day and I've just got my eyebrows waxed. Guys, I'm literally obsessed. I've never had my brows done like professionally before and I think I'm gonna have to get my brows waxed for the foreseeable because I'm literally obsessed. They're so cute and the lady who did them was actually one of my clients. So that was so fun. Now I need to go to a grocery shop, drive home, start to pack. It's like 30 degrees right now and honestly, I have no motivation to pack. It's gonna be fun.
Some pressure on my back. Let me shift a little. I might say a couple things to make you think a little. You like to
I'm at the awkward bit now where there are so many products and things that I need to use that I can't pack it until it's done. So I think my next steps are going to be walking to Lidl to get some dinner and doing an everything shower. I actually feel so much better now that I've done my everything shower. Things are finally starting to come together, but there's still quite a lot of stuff that we need to do. A fun fact about me is that I actually do my lashes myself, which saves so much time and money. So I bought some new individual lashes. These are so cute and there's so many as well. I'm gonna do my lashes and I have not worn lashes in like maybe 2 weeks, so I feel like I'm gonna really feel the glow up. Hopefully I can do this as quick as possible. But honestly guys, doing your lashes at home is so easy. You literally just take it off. And I use the black duo glue and you just put a little bit on top. Wait maybe like 20 seconds for it to dry a little bit but get sticky. And then you put it underneath your lash. It's literally so simple. And then you do it to cover your whole lashes. Let's do a little transition. 3, 2, 1. Guys, I'm literally obsessed. This took like maybe 10 minutes. We're almost there, guys. So close. To end this night, it's only right that I do a little bit of self-care. I have got my favorite mask, the Medicube mask. It's literally so good for your skin and it's got collagen in. Me when I realized I had free will to cut my face mask so it fits on my face better. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I was one of those girls that just like effortlessly suited a face mask. I always feel like I look so creepy. This tastes so good. I also bought a collagen shot. I saw it when I went to Lidl and it looked really interesting, so hopefully this will just give me an additional glow for the morning. That tastes so good as well. Not only do I have my Medicube mask on, I also got some foot socks, which is like a foot mask, and I've only done one. When I did it that one time, my feet had never felt so soft. So I'm gonna do this feel like I'm going above and beyond with my prep. Stunning. As much as I'm doing self-care in bed right now, as a self-employed girl, of course there is actually so much work to do. I am actually going to lock in with some work. I've got a lot of editing. I have to schedule some posts and make sure everything is prepared while I am away, because on some of like the C days, like we don't have Wi-Fi or service, so hopefully everything will be fine. And I've got to download all of my Spotify playlists as well, but at least like having the face mask and doing some self-care is still romanticizing it, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm currently waiting for Liv to be done with the straighteners, so I thought let's pack my carry-on bag. I'm using my Aloe bag because she's gorgeous and a beast. Literally you can fit so much stuff in here. And with a cruise there's not really a limit of how much you can take. My laptop, my makeup bag, my emergency bag, got my little card holder, hand sanitizer, plasters, earplugs, Vaseline, and my Nido cube. Portable charger, my Kindle, my Wild deodorant, my Days collection. Literally smells so good. This one is the grape and amber one. As soon as me and Liv sprayed it, we were like, yeah, this is the scent of the holiday. My passport, of course. My glasses and sunglasses, but I feel like I need to find a case to put them in because I feel like they're gonna get damaged. Charmander. It's a lucky one I got chosen to come on holiday with me. Waterproof phone holders, a lot of lip gloss. My fan. Apparently it's gonna be like 35 degrees today. My water bottle, headphones, and we'll pack my AirPods once they're off charge. And because I think as soon as we get on the cruise, we're gonna like swim or sunbathe, I'm not really sure. I got my towel for the aesthetics, even though they do provide towels. My pink bikini and my pink cover up. I also need to remember to pack all of my chargers. Now I need to wait, straighten my hair, and just finalize everything, tidy my room a bit. And I do still have some work to do, which shouldn't take me too long if I lock in. Oh, she's heavy. Hey guys, we're finally in the car. Say hey. Bonjour. Not even going to France. Lives in the back, squashed. We got 3 hours till we get to Southampton, and we can board the ship. First impressions.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I'll start thinking.
Okay, we've just checked into our room, so let's give you guys a room tour. Okay, first impressions. We've got a huge bed and this gorgeous balcony. TV and a beautiful vanity desk area. Another full-length mirror. A very spacious wardrobe. I've already hung up some bits. And for the bathroom, very spacious. Lots of mirrors, which I love. We're gonna go to the Windjammer, which is like the crazy buffet, and I'm so excited. Would love to know what this is.
What the hell is happening there? I think it's been set up for like 2 adults and a child. Well, that would be fine if it was a bloody child, but it's not.
Yeah.
It's a 20-year-old woman.
Hello.
Let's dominate. She's got a high bun to further dominate. Just put that down. We need to be taken seriously.
Here's an update. We rebooked the bunk bed. We spent so long at like the guest services, but they managed to get rid of the bunk bed and bring in some bed, but they haven't brought it in yet. And we're getting ready for our casual night out. We just took the most gorgeous pictures, but we are so late for dinner. Liv's OOTD, gorgeous, love it. Yippee! And now we're gonna eat so much.